Shooters, same drill, same drill. Shooters, take a stance. Target. Ceasefire. Shooters, your next drill will be one control player standing and one control player kneeling, all on that inboard target in a time of 7 seconds. That's one control player standing and one control player kneeling on that inboard target in a time of 7 seconds. Shooters, take a stance. Target. Ceasefire. Shooters, same drill, same drill. Take a stance. Target. Ceasefire. Shooters, your next drill will be one failure to stop drill standing to kneeling on that inboard target in a time of 8 seconds. That's one failure to stop drill standing to kneeling on that inboard target in a time limit of 8 seconds. Shooters, take a stance. Target. Ceasefire.